When it comes to dog-related answers, we've got them. When it comes to learning, we never stop. Whether it be new cooking techniques or new driving routes, we're always picking up new information. When it comes to dogs, there is always something new to learn. This video provides you with today's top tips that show you all about dogs. Keep your dog's teeth in tip-top condition. Just like humans, a dog can suffer from toothache, gum disease and even tooth loss. Regular brushing will ensure that his teeth and gums stay healthy and strong. Without regular brushing, it is estimated that dental disease will affect up to 80% of dogs by the age of 3. As well as dental cleaning by a vet, make sure that you brush your dog's teeth regularly. Avoid issues of jealousy if you have more than one animal. Particularly if you bring a young dog into the home of an older dog, problems can arise. Be considerate of the patience and energy levels of your senior dog and make sure his feelings aren't hurt by giving the new guy all the attention. When clipping a puppy's toenails, start slow. Introduce your little dog to them before you begin cutting. You may only be able to get a single nail done during a sitting. It could take some time for puppy to become comfortable with the idea of nail clipping, but soon, you will be able to get through it all at once. It is very important for you to keep your dog's ears clean. Keeping the inside of the ears clean will help prevent infections of the ear. This is also a good time for you to inspect the ear for fleas, ticks and any other pests that could have made your dog's ear home. Some people like to learn by watching, while others like to learn by doing. You need to attempt learning in both ways. The first was watching this video, which you have completed. The second is starting to use the tips to see which work for you and which don't, so get to it. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.